Okay. Here we are in St. Thomas. There's our friendly shadow over there. Just around that point. It's the Norwegian getaway. This is day 5. Day 5. Tomorrow's sea day. And then Castaway Key and then home. Somebody's out in their little boat. Pilot's already on board. Not going to have a lot of video here today because we're going out on a catamaran or a couple of different vessels they use to go scuba diving and go to a beach. So Wah is not carrying cameras. Still shots only today. Okay, a day in St. Thomas. It's coming to a close. Looking down the old dock parking. It's the Fantasy, the Norwegian Gateway, and the RCL Freedom of the Sea. 1, 2, 3. About $3 billion worth of ships. And on the other side of the bay here, we have the Princess, the Caribbean Princess. There's somebody's tour boat. Yeah.
Which way they went on.
We got lines on, we're still up tied up to the dock. These are all shops out here. I got it. Now, here is the world famous Satellite Falls. Couldn't really shoot this till today when you're in port because the wind was blowing so hard, all that water coming out of the Satellite Falls thing would have blown out. It's also got a wave machine in it. So we're going to get up there tomorrow. We're going to spend the day up here. Hopefully the wind won't be blowing too bad. Tomorrow's the sea day. St. Thomas. This is the U.S. Virgin Islands. And it is a possession of the United States. The pool down there in the nose is part of the Vibe, the teenage group, teen area to play in. Teen club is up there in the front of the bow. It's called the Vibe. So the Norwegian catway, which we spent the last 2 days with, is backed out first.
Great service. They always have boxiest things in the world.
Ship in the distance is the Caribbean Princess. It's at the other dock. That's where the Oasis and the lower dock. That dock has a deeper water. Seaplanes. You want to take a seaplane line? So we're kicking around finally. We got away from the dock. That's where we were parked at right there. And see the thrusters kicking the mud up.
What? Shampoo and stuff.
Yep. That's from the thrusters in the front. No, it's just the thrusters put out that much force. If you were to look on the back side on the going that way, you'd probably see just as much dirt. So coming around now into view is the Freedom of the Sea. This came in after we did. It was the last ship in today. So it was 4 ships here. Yeah. The Fantasy, the Norwegian Gateway, the Royal Caribbean Freedom of the Sea, and the can't see it now, Princess Line's Caribbean Princess. Turning this boat literally on a dime. It's turning on its own axis right now. I would be watching very closely to see the Freedom of the Sea get moved somewhere else very soon. These Royal Caribbean has got 2 more humongous ships getting ready to join its fleet of the Oasis class. That ship, there's about probably, I think, about 3,700 people. The new ones go 6,000. first it was hidden Mickey's on the dress, but it's just polka dots.
And although vacations are great, it's good to be home too.
M-I-C-K-Y
You don't have to sing.
M-O-U-S-E. See you real
You don't have to
soon.
be jealous because you missed that last song.
Okay. So this is the worst part of the trip. We're packing up. Tomorrow's Castaway Key. And then Saturday we get off this cute little bathtub called the Fantasy. So, day 8, Port Canaveral, 6:30 a.m., Saturday, June the 7th, 2014. And we're back home. And we have the little friendly traveler, the Carnival Liberties, parked in front of us again. And sliding in, can't quite see it right back here yet. You just see the nose of it sticking out. I'm going to guess it's the Carnival Sunshine. Well, I think I remember reading that's what we were going to get. But as the man said last night, see ya real soon.